how to convert a PDF to an image on a Chromebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily convert any PDF to an image on your Chromebook for free. And this can be useful if you want to edit it or use the image in a different fashion other than a PDF. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I have a PDF here and it's just of a certificate. Now to convert this PDF to an image, I'm going to be using a free tool called PDFGadget.com. Now, full disclosure, I created PDFGadget.com because I wanted to be able to recommend something that does not require you to upload your PDFs to a server. All the tools on PDFGadget.com work directly in the browser on your Chromebook. Nothing ever leaves your device. Check the description. I have a direct link down there. But once you get to PDFGadget, simply scroll down and find PDF to image, select it. Then once it loads, just select Choose File, find the PDF that we want to convert to an image, and then we can select the image format that we want to export as. So you can either do a PNG or a JPG, depending on your needs. I'll just do JPG. If the PDF has multiple pages, it'll show the pages here, and it'll only convert the pages that we select. So if you unselect a page, that page will not be converted to a PDF. Additionally, you can download each page individually by just selecting the download page below it, or if you want to download each page as a separate PDF, you can select download selected as zipped, and it'll download all the different pages as images in a zip folder. So I'm just going to select download page 1. As you can see, it downloaded as a JPEG, and if I open it up, we now have a JPEG image of that PDF. And that's how you convert a PDF to an image for free. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.